Do you guys want to try out the Puffy Glam Cam? It's a slow motion red carpet for dogs. Hi. Who is this? What's your dog's name? Yemet? Oh, that's adorable. How old is he?
8 years.
8 years old? Amazing. Well, it looks like such a sweetie. Oh, that is great. We get that nice model look. That's awesome. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. It's so great to meet you.
Esa blanquita con el sol y de una ya se pone morena. Un trago en mano bien borracha, todos saben que su vida es extrema. Dice que no, pero sé que mi flow le corre por la vena. Y ese cuerpito que tú tienes, el traje de baño chiquitito te queda.